Oke sobat pelaut, untuk pengumuman pemenang giveaway kali ini adalah sebagai berikut. Selamat buat para pemenang. Untuk konfirmasi hadiah, silakan kirim email ke rangga.sempurna@gmail.com disertai dengan subjek klaim hadiah. Giveaway kali ini disponsori oleh perlu diketahui sobat pelaut, untuk kita lulus tes itu nilai minimal adalah 70 skornya. Jadi harus berhati-hati. Tips dari saya, setiap pertanyaan diperhatikan baik-baik, diulangi, dan dipikirkan dua jawaban yang mendekati. Jadi jangan terlalu takut keburu waktu. Setelah kita prediksi ada dua jawaban yang mendekati, ya baru kita pilih salah satu. Oke, selamat mencoba dan semoga berhasil. Oke, lanjut. Kita lanjutkan latihan soal berikut. Which of the following is a vessel not under command? You saw a vessel display a black cylinder on her starboard yardarm. At night, what other lights would the vessel be showing, in addition to those for a power-driven vessel underway? In the field, a small general-purpose vessel is overtaking a supply vessel. Which vessel is required to keep out of the way of the other? According the picture, in the oil field, you observe the vessel on a steady bearing. Ring 3 miles. What action should you take? Please see the picture. Bearing steady. Ring 5 miles. Reducing slowly. What action would you take? According the picture, you observe the above vessel, ring 9 miles. What action would you take? Over the length of time, should a large diesel engine vessel be slowed down from full sea speed to maneuvering speed? You expect to sight land at 2100 where an alteration of course is marked on the chart. By 2120, no land has been sighted. The visibility is very good. What action would you take? The satellite navigator indicated a course with good of 230 when steering 240 with wind on port side. The interval between fire was 15 minutes. Assuming the vessel is mid-ocean, what action would you take? You are heading west and observe a north cardinal. Mark that ahead. How would you respond? What is more accurate means of position fixing from the option given? The forward masthead light alarm sound indicating that the light is extinguished. As watchkeeping officer, what would be your action? Why should the large-scale chart available be used for navigational purpose? You observe the two flag signals on a vessel in close proximity to your vessel. What publication would you consult to discover what it means? How often should the magnetic compass error be checked if possible? In which direction do the nets lie from a fishing vessel exhibiting a basket and a single cone apex upwards? A ship failing to comply with the collision regulation. What is the first thing you should do? You sight a vessel constrained by its draft on your port bow, crossing and on collision course. What action would you take? What additional light does a vessel which contained by its drag exhibit? You are on the bridge watch at night time and the main engine stop. What change would you make to the navigational light? In dense fog, you detect another vessel on the radar at 4 miles distance on the port side, crossing and on a collision course. What action would you take? Anchor wire are required to be inspected periodically, and a detailed inspection is required at what intervals every. From the marine procedure, anchor wire ropes are required to be replaced if your vessel is required to conduct urgent supply operation to the rig. As masters, you consider the condition as unsuitable. What would you do? Where can You find on board the workboat information regarding as to whether a platform is fitted with mooring bollards. At 0300 hours, a severe squall hits your location. You pull off. The vessel position is monitored closely, and it is evident that the port anchor has dragged and may be within 20 meters of a small pipeline. What are your actions? Operating Champion Field, this vessel is observed at 1 mile steady bearing. What are your actions? Your vessel has set up on 4-point mooring. Pre-tensioning is complete and vessel is on location. At what interval are tension and length of anchor wire to be checked and recorded? At short notice without an approved anchor pattern, you urgently require and instructed by the BSP on board representative to move into AMPA 15 and set anchors. What should you do? The navigation light characteristic normally display from an oil-filled platform or structure is personnel basket transfer are only carried out in the BSP field for the meaning of PTW is